back with me again. So I'm Karamina Fuadi, and on today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I made this lace outer. I made it by myself and I only sew it by hand. It's pretty easy and simple, and I hope you guys can do the same as me because it looks so nice on me. And I can use this type of outer to go out for formal meetings or just at home for taking photo shoot. I already make this, and I'm gonna make another one using the same fabric as this one. So as you guys see, I've cut this fabric into 4 parts, but I'm gonna explain to you how I made it into 4 parts. I'm gonna use this paper as the illustration of the fabric that I'm using. So here is 1.5 meters and this one is 1.5 meters too, and I'm basically just folded into 2 parts like this, and I cut them into half. Bear it in mind, it's an illustration. Then I have 2 parts of this fabric, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm folding into half again, and I'm cutting them into half too. And I also cut the other part as 2 parts again, and you basically have 4 parts of the fabrics. And I want to tell you guys something: before you cut it, make sure that the fabric is aligned one another. Make sure that the fabric pattern is vertical, not like you cut it like this, so it will look nice on you later. Now I have 4 parts of the fabrics. I'm gonna start the illustration again so you guys know how it's gonna work out when I'm sewing. Move to the illustration. I'm gonna use this yellow part as the front part of the fabric, and the back one is the back part of the fabric. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 parts of the fabric and then fold it into 2 like this, but the front part facing one another, and I'm gonna sew it right here like this. Then you already have the left or the right side of the outer. Now I'm gonna continue with the illustration. After I have my both sides of this outer, I hem stitch all each sides of the fabric, and I start from the end of the pattern. And I do this because I will trim the bottom of the pattern of this fabric later, and I also stop at the other end of the pattern so the stitch won't be cut when I trim the fabric later. After I finish hem stitch every side, I sew the middle part of the outer by joining these 2 fabrics and stop few inches before the shoulder crease. By the way, here I use tapes to illustrate my stitches. Then I sew the edges up to 30 centimeters before the shoulder crease. After I finish sewing, I cut the bottom part of the outer to follow its pattern like this, and I'm basically done. So that's how I made this lace outer by myself at home. Also, it's sewed by hand. I hope this video really informative, or at least inspire you to make something at home. I'm signing off. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.